basically ended up homeless. We ended up living in a car. It was scary, and she let me know that there was all these resources and services that Bay Area Legal Aid could provide for me. I was relieved. It was an amazing feeling, and it just felt like Lisa came from heaven out of nowhere just to help me out. I had no immigration status. What am I gonna do with myself? What am I gonna apply for? How am I gonna get a job?
In Karla's case, we helped her do her immigration case, and then eventually to do an immigration case for her mother.
I've known her since I was 14. I'm 20 years old now, so I've known her for a very long time, and she's just amazing. Bay Area Legal Aid is just amazing.
The primary mission is to remove the roadblocks to the justice system, the things that prevent people from being successful and being able to be successful in their communities. And we have advocates that work with families and in the community to make sure that they get treated fairly in the justice system. One of the things people don't understand often is that there's no public defender for civil legal problems. You don't have a right to a lawyer. If you're charged with a crime and you could end up in jail, you have an attorney that's appointed to you by the state. But there's no such system in the civil legal aid world.
A lot of times our clients come to us when they are up against a wall. Maybe they got an eviction notice. Maybe they lost their job and have been trying to apply for disability benefits for years. Maybe they're trying to separate from an abusive partner and they need help to do that.
Our lawyers and advocates work with them to try and make the systems that they interact with treat them fairly.
I describe that we're kind of like the ER of the legal world.
BayLegal is the first line of defense for more complicated problems, and one of the ways that we really provide benefits to our clients is to help simple things from getting more complicated.
You know, we have a lot of great laws, a lot of great safety net programs that are there to help people. But a lot of times we find for our clients, something has gone wrong and they didn't work the way they were supposed to. So by understanding those systems, but also understanding our clients' lives, we're able to kind of make sure the system works the way it's supposed to for one person at a time, for one family at a time. Karla is a great example of someone who I met, and I remember the first time, talking to her about her situation, I could see that she had a lot of hope and a lot of promise, but she was also starting to feel worn down by all the barriers that were in her way.
Right now I am working as a dental assistant at an office. I've been working there for 2 years now. In a few months, I'll be starting my dental hygiene program. I can actually qualify for financial aid and qualify for all these other things that are going to help me with my education.
Feeling like what we do each day is helping put someone on a little more stable ground. Having the chance to help them address one of their really most pressing needs at the time is something that I think most of us who work in legal aid find really satisfying.
She really cared about my family. She cared about me. She cared about me succeeding. She truly, truly cared.
Bay Area Legal Aid provides free civil legal services to low-income folks all over the Bay Area. We help them in the areas of homelessness prevention, economic justice, healthcare access, domestic violence prevention, and a variety of services for youth who are at risk.
If you want to donate to BayLegal, go to www.baylegal.org.